Alright, so what is up, YouTube? Just sitting here, wanted to crank out a video for you guys. We recorded this a while back. Here's my buddy Cashy. We're just sitting in here in our dining room, and I'm trying to get some videos edited up for you guys. And I decided that there was a video that I took a long time ago, or a GoPro, and it was my dad's reaction to riding in my car. Now, my dad is not a fast car type guy. He's more of a low, look good type of car guy, and if it gets him from point A to point B, that's what he likes. You know, he's not biased. He doesn't care Ford, Chevy, Dodge, whatever. He just, if it looks good and it rides good, that's what he likes. So it got a little interesting, not gonna lie. I had complete control over the vehicle, but the car got a little squirrely, and he got a little bit angry at me. Just because I think I don't know. He didn't really get mad. It was just, he'd also had some stuff going on at that time, and wasn't quite happy with me. So he's not all about the going fast thing. And later on, he called me and was like, it was really fast. I was just a little mad because he talked about a car that he had grown up and driven. He's like, that thing made that thing look ridiculous, you know. So it was an awesome time. I felt sort of bad for scaring him, and but yeah, so that's where this is going to end. Hope you enjoy this video. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.